Welcome to Mikab Model College online tutorial. We hope at the end of this lesson, you will have acquired the expected learning outcome. Sit down and listen attentively as we introduce your subject teacher.
Welcome back to the second episode of chemistry. Still, I remain Salih Abdul Wahab, your chemistry teacher. Let's go to the board and see what we have. Our topic today is the scientific method. Remember, in our last class, we discussed that matter is anything that has mass and occupies space, the material with which the universe is made. And of course, we said that chemistry is the study of the universe. If chemistry is the study of the universe, we need to understand some natural phenomena that are happening, occurring every day in our life, in the society where we live. We need to study them and then understand how they function. Hence, the new topic today, the scientific method. The scientific method is a step-by-step approach with which we analyze, investigate natural phenomena. All the time we make observations as to why certain things happen, as to why certain things are the way they are. From observation, we go into several things which we need to bring about so that we can come into conclusion that what we observe is what they are. In sciences, we don't just conclude that everything that has four legs is a goat. In sciences, we don't just conclude that everything that flies is a mammal. No, it's never like that. Therefore, in sciences, we follow a step-by-step approach of inquiry. Systematically, we present facts and then we come to a logical conclusion. On this note, we shall be looking at the scientific method. An outline of the scientific method will begin from the scientific law. As soon as you make observations, then questions begin to come. Questions begin to arise. As those questions are arising, you need to answer them. You need to provide answer to this question. Questions such as why, questions such as how begin to arise. And the best method to answer this question is to go by the scientific law. And of course, the scientific law is the statement that describe experimental facts. Of course, in sciences, we don't agree with truth, because what is truth to you, but what is a fact is a fact. For example, everything that goes up must surely come down. This is a fact. So we bring about a scientific law that will guide this fact. Therefore, a scientific law is a statement that describes an experimental fact. Of course, as soon as this law is stated, for example, we can begin to say that liquids is practically incompressible. You cannot compress liquid. Of course, this is a statement that describes an experimental fact. Of course, this is a law. Alright, the next thing you need to do is to formulate an idea. This idea will explain how is that statement. This idea will explain the authenticity of that statement that you have just made. Of course, from the experimental law, we move straight to the theory, which describes, which explains this fact. Therefore, a theory is a suggestion. A theory is a proposed idea that explains an experimental fact. Of course, from the board, you will see that, alright, having stated a law that liquid is practically incompressible, Of course, the theory will come. And then from the theory, you will discover that, all right, liquid is practically incompressible because the space in between the particles that make up the liquid is very, very much negligible. Because of the negligibility of this space, of course, we say that liquids cannot be further compressed. This is a theory. Of course, we should not forget as well that a theory may be accepted or rejected or even be modified. If a theory does not suit an experimental law, if a theory does not suit a scientific law, this theory is rejected. And when this theory is rejected, another theory is formulated. And if it is close, it can be modified. And when modified, it can be accepted by all. Remember that a theory in the stage of testing is referred to as hypothesis, another step. Of course, hypothesis will also be rejected or accepted. And on this note, this hypothesis will continue over a long period of time. And this hypothesis will be worked on by several scientists around the globe. As these scientists are working on it, if they arrive with the same conclusion that you have gotten, of course, this hypothesis will be accepted. And over time, if it is accepted by all the scientists around the globe, it becomes a theory. I hope we all understand. On this note, let us also understand that in all of this, we should not forget that all of this step must be taken step by step, one after the other. Hence, the scientific method. Remember that all theories must be testable. All theories must be what? Testable. Now, when a theory is tested and it is found to be supporting the fact, remember it will be accepted and not rejected. Remember that the theory, while under testing, is referred to as a hypothesis. And a hypothesis, when accepted by all scientists all around the globe, it becomes a theory. On this note, we will come to the end of the scientific method. And in our next class, we shall be discussing the step-by-step method of presenting scientific experiments. When observations are made during experiment, how do we present this observation? That becomes our next class.